Hello, student friends. As we gone through the recent notification received from Amravati University about the upcoming examinations, just because of some technical issues, the examination is postponed. And new note as per new notification, the examination will be conducted on the college. So there will be many issues, so don't go into much detail of these issues. Try to focus on the examination. Whether this is university level examination or the college level examination. The syllabus is the same. The basic frame of the examination is the same. And due to this reason, you must focus on only the study to get the maximum outcome. तुम्हाला माहितीच असेल की अमरावती युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये सारखा एक्झामचा त्यामुळे तुम्ही गोंधळलेले असाल, तर गोंधळून न जाता मी तुम्हाला एक आश्वस्त करतो की तुम्ही अभ्यासाकडे जास्त लक्ष द्या, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये जास्तीत जास्त मार्क्स मिळतील. आणि स्टील तुम्ही या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून अनइंटरप्टेड तुम्हाला अपडेट्स मिळतील. The first question is on colorimetry and spectrometry. So see, colorimetry and spectrometry are the analytical techniques based on the measurement of the four option is given: dye intensity, color intensity, light intensity, and all. See, a dye, the meaning of the dye is the color. Dye is the chemical component. The dye intensity means the chemical composition intensity. Light intensity, all or color intensity. So from this, the B option, color intensity, is the correct one, or we can say all the option which is the correct one. Dye, color, and light intensity all are related with one and same. So the most correct answer is all. The second question is of the colorimetric analysis involve comparison of color intensity of unknown solution with that of. See, in second question itself, comparison of color, the B option. See, most probable or correct answer is color, but the color and dye is one and same, and light also the same. Light consists of the all 7 color spectrum. That's why all option is the correct one, most correct one. The colorimetric analysis involve the comparison of the intensity of unknown solution with that of filling in the blanks. Known solution, standard solution, a prepared solution with known quantity. See, in this question also there is ambiguity. The unknown solution means, for example, 1 gram of solution dissolved in 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution. In that case, the concentration is 1000 ppm. 1000 ppm. See, this is the standard one. That's why it is called known. Again, the prepared solution with known quantity. Again the same. Means A, B, C all are correct. Means the correct option is all. Do remember about this. A known solution, a standard solution. The meaning is same. Or prepared solution with known quantity. This means you have prepared the standard solution with known quantity. That's why these three all options are correct. And moving to next question, third one. A light is a, see, basically it's propagated through the medium in a two-way. The first one is particle nature, and sinusoidal. See, the propagation of light through sinusoidal way, like this. So trough crust. So the light behave as a electromagnetic spectrum, solid material, liquid material, none of the above. From this, A option, electromagnetic spectrum, is the correct. The answer for the light is a electromagnetic spectrum. Do remember this. Again, the fourth question is electric field in the light interact with. See, electric field in the light interact with, the first option is photon, second one is electron, and third one is neutron, and the D is all. This is confusing one. Again, see, we will go through the basic structure of atom. The electron is revolving around the nucleus. In nucleus, there is a proton, another one is neutron. See, that is kept inside the nucleus, which is more safe. We can say that this proton and neutron are inside the nucleus, cannot be interacted in chemical reaction. Or in most case, if we use the visible light, in visible light, it is rarely that the light is penetrating through the these electron shells like S, P, D. Again, this shell or nucleus is so strong, light cannot be penetrated. In case of the nuclear fission and nuclear fusion reaction, in that case, if the X-ray is penetrated or gamma rays is bombarded on the atom, in that case, fusion or fission of nucleus and will give two new atoms. So, in this case, in analytical chemistry, we will studying about the UV light. So, in this case, see, the photon in the nucleus never interact with the light. The neutron also in the nucleus, means both are placed in the nucleus, hence cannot be interacted with the electric field. So, in this case, electron only available outside the nucleus, which is interacted with the light or electric field. Moving to next question, fifth. Filling in the blanks. The distance between two consecutive crest and trough, or it is the distance traveled by the light. See, this is the definition. See, the first one, fifth question, the distance between consecutive crest and trough, 1 kilometer, then 10 raised to minus 10 meter, 2 kilometer and 1 meter. See, 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 nanometer, or 1 nanometer, and 10 raised to minus 10 nanometer is equal to 1 angstrom. This is the relation about this thing. See, that's why 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So instead of meter, this should be nanometer. See, next question is of 1 angstrom again is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter, 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, 10 raised to minus 6 micrometer, and again the all. See, as you might know that the relation of in UV visible किंवा विजिबल रेंजच्या बाहेरचे जे आहेत, अगोदरचे जे आहेत, त्यांना अल्ट्रा व्हायोलेट म्हणतात साधारण. सी, the correct option is ultraviolet vision. Ultraviolet violet, ultraviolet blank, ultraviolet visible. See, the D option is the correct, ultraviolet visible. The meaning of UVVs is ultraviolet visible. Ninth question. The range of UVVs in the light spectrum is. See, such kind of question oftenly asked in the examination, and the physics student they knows very well in detail about this UV visible light spectrum. The range of the UV light spectrum start from basically 200 to 400 is assigned for UV. Sorry, not this is not a correct one, but roughly 300 and 200 to the question number 10 is the filling in the blanks. It is the number of waves that occur per second. See, this is the definition. The correct option is C, the frequency one. The second option is node, wave, crust and trough. This is inappropriate options. The expression for wave number is C. Expression for wave number C. Wave number is denoted by mu. This is called mu. See, this is mu, and mu is equal to C. This is mu and this is mu. Two option didn't have the expression of mu. Wave number. This is the wave number is reciprocal of the wavelength lambda. So that's why the correct answer is B. Let's see again. The 12th. The filling in the blanks UV range and the filling in the blanks visible range. This is the similar question with the first one, and you know that the correct option is 200 to 400 and 400 to 750 nanometer is assigned for UV and visible range. This is the short answer. Light is composed of the electromagnetic waves and particle as well as wave nature. This is the correct answer for this question. Question number 14. Match the pair color and wavelength. The blue. See, the very first, as you know, that the 400. So you have to select the first option. 400 to 435. 400 to 435. This is for violet, B option. Then blue, VIB, B. Blue, 400 to 480. This is okay. See, then blue and green. See, blue green. In between this. So green, fourth number. On fourth number. See, the blue green is the correct option is 3. This one for the blue. Then green. See, red is the last one. सर्वात शेवटी रेड येतो, सर्वात अगोदर कोणता येतो, वायोलेट येतो. तर रेडची याच्या या दोन मध्ये कोणती असेल रेंज, तर ही असेल 600 ते 750, आणि राहिलं काय ग्रीन, ग्रीन साठी ही आहे. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन्स मॅचिंग पेअर. 15 question. If the substance absorb all the white light and transmit no color, then the substance appear. This is the interesting question. When 7 color, the spectrum of color is falling on the object, and that will absorb all the lights. Basically we will thinking about the dark matter or black hole. So this will appear as a white. This is wrong answer, red, green. So it will absorb all color, means the correct answer is black. This is the perfectly black body or absorbing body which can absorb all the light. Expression for the law of light absorption. This is the last question. Still you have not subscribed, you will subscribe this channel, and you will get the uninterrupted updates about the upcoming examination about the chemistry subject, and the expression of law of light of absorption gives the, see, when light fall on the object, when